everyone, so this is probably my first ever unboxing video of a luxury brand handbag, and it is of the what Prada calls the baby bag. Okay, so I don't have a baby. I'm not married. Hell, I don't even have a boyfriend. So I've actually got this bag to use as a work bag. Okay, so I'm an engineer by nature, and I have to go for site visits and stuff like that. So I'm currently actually using the Dior Lambskin Carnage, and the weight takes a toll on my shoulders, especially when it's packed. And when I mean packed, I mean my laptop goes in, my water bottle, my wallet, umbrella, everything. So and the heart ache, when there's a scratch on it. Okay, so I've actually been looking for the ideal work bag for quite a while, and I wanted to keep it within the brand. So I've actually looked at entire range of leather goods and decided it was a no-no because as good as they look and as good as an investment the leather goods are, the weight is just too much for me. So I've actually even looked at like the Chanel fabric, Gucci, and Dior tote, the book tote, but decided that the first win was actually the Prada Nylon range. So what I did was I literally walked into the Prada boutique and went like just show me an entire range of nylon bags that were big enough. So I've actually really looked at even the men's collection, the travel collection, etc., and decided that this bag was a win. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, I'm not sure if this bag actually comes with a box. I kind of forgot to ask about that, but what I got was the paper bag and the dust bag itself. Okay, so ta-da! Okay, so I think one of the biggest reasons why this bag was a win for me, apart from the size, is the straps. Okay, it comes with this thicker straps, and pressure equals to force over area. So the thinner the straps, the more pressure it puts on your shoulders. So I've actually looked at a lot of the other tote bags, and regardless of what material the straps are made of, they always come in a thinner version, which I didn't really like. So speaking of straps, okay, this bag, okay, I still have all my stuffings inside. Okay, it actually comes with a sling. Okay, it's right here. Ta-da! Okay, so when your bag gets really heavy, the best way to actually carry it is crossbody. So you're able to attach the straps to the side and actually carry it as a crossbody bag. So number one win for this bag, the straps, right? And the second thing that I really liked about this bag was the number of compartments that it had. So inside, there's a zipper, compartments to put my hand cream, sanitizer, etc. And the front pouch where you can put your easily accessible items such as your handphone. And there's one more slot at the back. Yeah, so I have a pretty expensive wallet as well, which I don't really like to mix with my keys in case it gets scratches and all. So these compartments really help. And one more thing here, do you see this flap right here? Guess what it's for? It's gonna be my favorite travel bag. This flap is actually for you to slot through your luggage handle. So yay! And the side here, okay, I mean, I'll be honest, it's actually for like your baby bottles, but I mean I can use it with my water bottle. It comes with this bag, okay, and I think it's really convenient, especially like in Singapore weather, you don't really know when it's gonna suddenly pour. So you can use the side slots to store your umbrella. You can even put your umbrella in here, easy access. And okay, I know there's like quite a lot of rumors and stuff about, where the bags are made. So that was actually a question that I asked the sales. So actually, ever since Prada kind of like changed their logo, that doesn't have the third line, made in Italy. So I actually, got quite paranoid and like, where is my bag from? So I actually searched the bag and let me just look for it again. It's actually at the compartment side. Let me find it. Right next to the zipper, right above the compartment. Yep, took me a while, so sorry. And the video is quite blurry. It actually says made in Italy right here. Okay, so ta-da! Okay, and I'm going to reveal the biggest secret that actually gives away that this is a diaper bag. In the front compartment right here, just gonna open it up and ta-da! Reveal what is actually a changing sheet. So I don't really know why you would put, your baby buttocks on something so expensive, but I'm not gonna use it. But if I do decide to keep it in bag, I guess it could, double up as a floor mat, in case you want to put your back down on the floor and you don't want to dirty it. So you have it a Prada changing sheet. Okay, so that's all I have. I'm just gonna carry it. Ta-da! So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, in case, you wanted to explore this bag, and see how it looked like. So, ta-da! This is the my Prada work bag. See you!